Hi everybody, I am Ravi Chandra, faculty lecturer in zoology for NEET. So, this brain profiling, according to my knowledge, because I am a zoology faculty, it is possible because it is directly connected to the human brain. So, human brain has here major, this is called frontal lobe, parietal, temporal, occipital, and also prefrontal also we will say. So, totally major 4, but we can say 5 parts. So, each and every part in the brain, suppose frontal is there, occipital is there, temporal is there, temporal for that is for auditory listening, occipital is there, vision related. So, like this they are mapping this part of the brain and they are trying to explain what type of condition, what type of capability the so and so person is having. So, scientifically this is possible, I believe, you can also believe. So, that is from my side. Next, what we came to know through this thing means this brain profiling is done by our Aksharam school director or correspondent Kritika ma'am. She explained very clearly regarding that brain profiling. I felt very happy. So, what we came to know about my child, what you are going to know means their capability, their knowledge, their IQ power, okay, which part of the brain is more active. So, where we have to concentrate, make the children to concentrate, and what type of studies, okay. So, if we want to make them perfect, so how we have to mingle with the children, okay. Sometimes we will force the children, you have to do, you have to compulsory. Some children may not like that. So, such type of children how should be treated. So, these things small things also we will come to know with this brain profiling. So, we are really happy to know the brain profiling regarding my child. So, my child they told according to that report that she has a practical related knowledge more, okay. So, in that concern we have to concentrate like that. So, I really advise you, I can advise you to make your child this brain profiling, so that you will also come to know. So, what we felt we will see in our daily life, daily what my child is doing, why she is dying, why she is doing like that, such type of questions I got here answer. So, that is one more benefit here. So, if you have any confusion, any why she is behaving, why the child is behaving like that, such questions will get answered, and how to treat the child, how to make their future bright, some type of ideas also you can get. So, really this is good thing, really happy to be here to make my child this brain profiling, okay. And this is my wife Nandita, she will.
So, I'm also happy to know about my child. I'm also happy to know about my child. So, what all I've noticed in her daily life, I got the exact report what ma'am told to me. So, from today onwards, I don't wanted to force her for anything. So, I just wanted to leave her according to the report. So, what sir told is really really good, and you also can have a report like this for your children. And Kritika madam, she is doing really a very good job, because we can know everything about our child.